Okay, for what we have regarding accessing Aleks homework, okay, again from your Blackboard page, okay, we click on Aleks in the menu, and again just click on the McGraw-Hill campus link, click on Aleks, and I'm just going to reset the student view, enter student view. Okay, and you'll be taken to, once again, the various tips. I'm just going to skip this. You got a tools tutorial, and I'm going to skip this as well, since I do have the instructor authority to do so. And it says here I have completed the tools tutorial. Okay, and there's a process, okay, that you'll have regarding the knowledge check, and it's going to be about, I'll say, give or take a few questions, about 30 items. Okay, and what I'm going to do here is just, you're going to have to go through the knowledge check. It's just a diagnostic. You're not going to be graded on this. And I'm just going to skip the tool tips. And I'm going to bypass the knowledge check. Okay, so again, there will be about 30 questions or so. And since I am the instructor, I'm just going to skip the initial knowledge check. And I was going to say I have little knowledge pre-calculus, just to kind of provide a setup in terms of what to anticipate after you take the knowledge check. Okay, so anyway, so you have these results here, and I'm just going to continue, and you'll be taken to okay, what is going to be the first assignment. Okay, so you have a knowledge check, and okay, and just access homework. Okay, you're going to, let me do this again. Okay, so you have the upper left hand section, you have these three bars to click on, and you have assignments. Okay, and for what we have in terms of the first homework, okay, that is going to be due May the 26th. And to access, you just click on this particular link, and you just have like an initial or introductory example that we have where we have like a question regarding set notation and graphing, and you can get started. And I'm just going to take something I have the absolute value of x such that x is less than or equal to -2, and I'll just kind of use this one as an example. Okay, say if we have less than or equal to -2, so you have like a solid point on -2, and just kind of using for the line. Okay, now this one's going to go continuously out to the left. And in the case of the interval notation, okay, so we have for that one, okay, and I do have a lesson, okay, regarding interval notation. So for this one, less than or equal to -2, okay, so, and you can type in either the negative sign then infinity, but we have going from negative to infinity. In fact, let me do this. I would intentionally do this wrong. Okay, so if I were to check, okay, it says your answer is incorrect. You have interval notation, so your answer is incorrect. Okay, and now I got the graph correct, but now for the interval notation, I'm going to redo this. And for less than or equal to -2, okay, so I'm going to have at infinities, okay, we're going to have both positive and negative. I'm going to have the use of parentheses, and I have less than or equal to -2. -2 is included, so that would be in the bracket. And rechecking, and the answer is correct. And so you're looking at this particular phase, you're going from one stage to the next. And some of these problems can be sort of time consuming. And so I would say just go ahead and get started right away. And anyway, I just wanted to at least provide a pathway here in terms of how to get started. And in terms of re-entering Aleks. Okay, so if I click on McGraw-Hill, once again, just clicking on Aleks. All right, I tell you what, for assignments. Okay, so if you notice, I do have saved that first question, which was correct, and so I'm just going to have to go to the next one.